Okay, we're going to do a little video. This is the back door of the house. Cal could come out. This is a little deck right outside the back door. You could maybe have a DJ or whatever music set up here. Come over here. Go down the stairs. You can see the lake is up ahead. Okay, we got firewood there, nice little fire pit. And then the yard is mostly long. You could have chairs set up here if there wasn't necessary to have a tent or have a tent. Okay, and then you walk down this way. There's a hammock there, but we can move that out of the way. Okay, and up ahead there could have an altar. Over here to the side, there's a little area. You could maybe put a little bar there. And then over here, there's a little patio, covered patio. That could maybe be a place to set up a buffet line. There's also a little covered area under the back deck. Nice landscaping. Okay, let's go over here and see what the path to the lake looks like. Okay. Pretty little pavers. A little sitting area right there. Little chairs. And a place for a fire. Kind of neat. We've got some woods. And let's see, walk down to the lake. A little street light there, should be lit at night. Kind of going downhill a little bit rough. Probably have to help older people coming down here. So it's not as steep as Marshall's. And then starting to get down here to the lake. Okay. Another lamp post there. And then here's the entry to the dock. Okay. Got a flagpole. Then you go down the steps. Go over there. And there's the dock area. Here's the view. Looks like it might be a little cove over there. And then you turn around here and there's another dock. There's trees and the lake.